this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to vectorize any image to vector with just one click, making use of this AI tool I'm going to show you right here. So guys, if you want to simply vectorize any image to look exactly like this right here, guys, you want to simply work with me from the beginning of this video to the very end on how to do just that. So right here, guys, the first tool we want to make use of is this tool called Leonardo.ai. Simply create an account for free and it's going to land up right onto this page. So right here, guys, as you can see, this is a data creation that has been created by lots of users right there. So guys, we want to simply select a perfect creation right here. So guys, I can decide to simply just make use of this creation right there. You simply tap on that. And once you're done, you want to simply remix this particular creation. So simply go on to remix right here. And once you're done right now, simply go on to generate. And this is just going to generate two images right here. And you want to simply select the one that is perfect for your vectorization right here. Right here, guys, this is done right now. You want to simply download the one you prefer. So guys, I want to simply download this right here. And I've been able to download this image right into my device. So the next step, guys, you want to simply do is to go onto this tool called the Vectorizer.ai. You can easily trace pixels to vectors in full color, convert your PNG and JPG images to SVG vectors quickly and easily, fully, automatically, making use of this AI tool called the Vectorizer.ai. So guys, all you want to do is to drag and drop your image right here. As you can see, just going to upload your image, process this, and simply just fetch your image right here within a few seconds. And guys, this is done. So this is our original image and this is our vectorizer.ai results right there. So guys, as you can see, there are lots of difference right here. So if I simply just zoom this a bit, as you can see right here, this is it. So this is the difference right here between this, the real image, and the vectorizer image right here. So guys, if you want to go through it, as you can see, so this is how you can easily vectorize your own image right there by simply making use of the vectorizer.ai. So guys, once you're done with this, you can easily click onto the download button and download this right into your device. You can easily download in any of this formats right there. But guys, the pros about this plan is you simply need to upgrade for you to be able to download this right into your device. We have the web app, which is $9.99 per month, or you can easily buy some particular credits whereby 50 credits is $9.9 per month, 100 credits is this. So you want to simply make use of this in order for you to be able to download your images right there. So guys, simply try out this AI to call the Vectorizer.ai in order for you to be able to vectorize your own image that looks like this.